Hello, this is Haytham Qaisi, one of the users for Whizlabs. I chose Whizlabs to help me pass my AWS Solution Architect exam. Actually, before it, I chose multiple sources to help me understand all the concepts for the AWS Solution Architect, but really I found more details using the Whizlabs course for Solution Architect. I found the practice labs, I found the online courses as well, I found the practices test, which really build and fill the gaps that I faced during understanding the concepts for AWS Solution Architect exam. So really they do pretty good job preparing this course and this document, and I recommend you to try it, and I believe you will like it and you will choose it for multiple and other courses as well. Thank you.
Learn with Whizlabs, Success Certified.